Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix invalid parameters while you are going to log in your account or changing your password and you're facing the error invalid parameters. Then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page if you're facing the error like this. First of all, you have to make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. Okay guys, so you have to open the settings, turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn it off. Once you have done this guys, after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open app store and there you have to search for the app. Okay guys, just simply search for Instagram and make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Okay guys, just simply you have to update your app if it's showing here update, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply open the settings and also make sure that your device is up to date to the latest version. Just simply you have to update your device and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working guys, then let me tell you that if you are going to change your password and you are facing the error like this, then it means when you are going to confirm your password is not the same that you are going to reset. Okay guys, and if it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, then tap on general, then you have to go to iPhone storage. Now from here guys, just simply you have to locate for the app and just simply you have to offload the app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. But once it's here guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings again, then you have to scroll it down, tap on general. Then maybe you are connected with VPN, that's why it's not working for you guys. Just simply you have to disconnect that VPN if you are connected with it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And for this guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply hold the app and just simply you have to remove the app from your phone and then reinstall it and then log in your account again, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.